I discovered the word pyrography, and I was like, what on earth is that? And I found out, and I saved a few couple $100 and bought a pyrography kit and taught myself. As a pyrographer, I use a soldering iron or a hot metal rod to create art. I use images of people that I interview or photograph, or images from the internet like Instagram, and I draw them. I am a Black woman, so I think it's easier and best for artists to create art that they relate to. And being a Black woman, I've seen how they have been treated in society, and I just thought that they are often either sexualized or made to look angry, and I wanted to explore those emotions and kind of paint us in a different light and explore how I can be a good vessel to spreading the goodness of Black women specifically. Outside of improving my craft in pyrography, I've also been improving how I relate in a social space. So I've been learning how to document my processes and share it with other people.